mm, 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 mm. On tapping. I can't spell. I'm horrible. And I'm slow, y'all. Oh, my stream just started. What's up? What's up? What's up? We don't see who comes in. I'm live. Didn't you know? I want to see who comes in before I put this tweet out. Who's up this early? Who got the notifications on? I want to know who got the notifications on. That's what I want to know. Who the notifications people in the chat? Where y'all at? Early this beautiful Wednesday morning, the bite of dip morning. Where y'all at in the chat? Mm. Not a really good thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? It's an okay thumbnail, but it's a little. I didn't really like it. But I did it early, guys. I did it really early, but I didn't really like the thumbnail. But good morning. Who? Wait, nah. I want to know in the chat who got it before I put this tweet out. I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad. Nah, I want to know who the three of you guys are, extra early and whatnot, knowing damn well at 7 o'clock in the morning. What y'all doing up? What are y'all doing up? Oh, okay. OT lungs. Yeah, OT lungs. That's what I. Hey, hey, that name is OT lungs. I'm not gonna lie, that shit hits right there. That name hits. I'll give you that one. What's good, man? All right, that's all I really needed. I just need one. I needed one person to respond to me. I can tweet this out and feel good about myself. Well, shopping. You know what time it is. But I'm telling you, people don't be wanting to hear it when I say it. Wednesdays are the buy the dip days. Wednesdays are buy the dip days. You can get a solid pullback on a Wednesday. You can get a solid pullback on a Wednesday. And then when Saturday comes, mid Saturday afternoon, you know what I'm saying? That's a good, if you're trading, that's a good time to sell. You know what I'm saying? But if you're long-term hodling like the rest of us, you know what I'm saying? I've been saying you know what I'm saying for like 17 times. God, wait, good Jesus, Mackenzie, we gonna do better. But yeah, we got the Wednesday. We got the Wednesday pullback as usual. That's a good sign. Good sign for the weekend. We might pop up to like 60 on the weekend, maybe. That's not me trying to predict it, but it's just it feels good. But the way all this right here, this is what I'm looking at. Like, and y'all know how I am. We stay on the daily, bro. But all this pressure that we got to go through, that's a lot of pressure. Like, that's a lot of pressure to go through because we take time in this area, you know. So I just want to, like, if we just do it for like since February, right? So we'll yeah. So we'll just say since late January, this area has been the median area that we've been struggling with, and we pop above it, we stay below it for a while, pop above it, stay below it, and then that was the longest we ever bounced off of it and pulled through. So right now it's serving as resistance in the sense it might push us back down and then make a come back down here. People get scared. Oh my God, that was the bounce, and then really start going off again. But that's the crazy situation. What I'm thinking is, we shake out here, Thursday, and then Friday we still do a shakeout. And if we have 3 days of being right here, weekend we're probably testing 60 again, just to see it, because of course Bitcoin does what it wants on the weekends. And not only that, but I believe, don't we got like a CME gap somewhere? Where am I seeing me gap people? You know what I'm saying? Bro, we can't hear you. You guys can't hear me. Yeah. Wait, you guys can't hear me for real? Hold on. Can y'all hear me? Hold up. Hold up now. I want to make sure. I need somebody to respond to me. Oh, okay. I'm about to say, people saying that they can't hear me. Everything I'm looking at is up. I'm about to lose my mind. Like, I'm really about to lose my mind. Bro, I'm about to say I'm having a whole conversation. I'd have been so mad. Yeah. Oh. War Kettle. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, you lucky. I know you, War Kettle. You lucky. You lucky you've been around since the beginning. Too Rich to Miss, what's up? Oliver, what's going on? Mustard, how you doing? OT Lungs, we can hear you. All right, Too Rich. 209, hi, I hear you. All right, bet. War Kettle. Bro, I need you to put your chat on live chat, not top chat. I don't even know how to do that. How do I? It's nah, but no, I don't. Yeah, I have no clue how to do that. Yeah, no, it's on live chat right now. That's all I know. But you're gonna have to like get on me on Discord and show me how to do that. But anyways, so we get back to what I was saying. This the Wednesday dip. Let's move sideways for like 2 days, and then by the weekend we're gonna pop off because that's what we do. Then I was looking at the CME gap thing. I know people barely do this CME gap thing anymore, but I want to look at it just cause if I can remember the ticker. Yeah, there you are. You're the ticker. The ticker is BTC1 exclamation point. I don't know why, but this is the CME futures, and we have a gap here between what 60 and 57. So I could see on the weekend we come out of nowhere and pop open and close it. But if you really wanted to close it, you'd need it to be on like a regular day, like on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday type thing. Because the reasons why we get these gaps is because the CME is an old product of like the old financial system, and so they're closed on the weekends. But everybody knows crypto's 24 hours every day, all day, nonstop. So we don't experience these gaps, but they do because we closed. So we gonna see what like we have this gap the gap we have this gap that we gotta close. So it's eventually gonna come back and do it. Ooh, but just starting everything off, guys. If you haven't seen this show on YouTube, it's called Bitcoin and Friends. They just did the final season, the final episode for the season, and this came out during the bear market, and I've been rocking with this show for a minute. Even like I ain't got the shirt, like y'all think it's a joke. Like I got the shirt, so I had to wear the shirt today. But I support these things. I support content like this when it comes to Bitcoin because it's different as hell. Kind of like I want to be different. I don't want to just be like every other crypto YouTuber, even though I have to do the every other crypto YouTuber thing to get you guys to come and look and watch these motherfucking videos. But yeah, go support them. Go watch the entire season. I watched every episode. I've actually had interviews with the creator of this show, and I'll probably do another interview now that the show is finishing this first season, and we just be having good conversation. So check that out. Of course, this is their Twitter too. seeing me gap. But let me see what you guys are talking about. Seeing me gap. I set up my faucets for passive income. If we dip or crash, I'll be ready. Bro, I got a couple of things. Ohm is doing pretty good. My Ohmings, OHM, yeah. Olympus, if you guys are into the DeFi stuff. I've been doing the 3-3 and it's been chilling. At first I was scared. I'm not even gonna lie. At first I was scared because I got in, and I'm gonna just show you guys just straight up. I got in it like right here at like 800, and then we did this stupid crash to 300, and I was like, oh my god, I just got wrecked. But they have this Inter Olympus. I don't want to connect my wallet right now. But once you connect your wallet to this, it'll show you like the whole dashboard and everything. And there's like, it's hard to explain the tokenomics, but it's a rebase token like Ampliforth. And the way, but right now, and what you're looking at is market cap, like, especially if you're like in the 3-3 staking, whatnot. But that's been doing like really, really good. Like it's been, when it comes to passive, like when these, it's trust me, it's doing its thing. But don't just get into it just because I said so. And don't, unless you start, please do your research, because I told you guys I got in at 8. I got scared, and then just been holding. Like sometimes you just hold some of these coins and they just be working out and using them like how they're supposed to be used. But going back to some Bitcoin stuff, Bitcoin sellers might evaporate in 2021. This is a great article to read. Like, what's up, Jose? How you doing? Yeah, I just did some TA already. You guys y'all missed my beautiful TA, my beautiful technical, my daily technical analysis. But we're gonna get back to it because we're gonna have to look when we get to ETH. Dang, I ain't even finna hold you guys. ETH ate that dip up. Yo. ETH don't give a... I ain't even finna lie to you guys. ETH ate that dip up. ETH said, no, we are not dipping this Wednesday. I don't care what Bitcoin's doing. We're not dipping this Wednesday. Damn, that's nasty. We'll see how long this lasts, though. You know what I'm saying? We'll see how long this lasts. I'll give it till about noon. We'll be right back down here or something. Morning, Scotty P. How you doing, bro? War Kettle. Only have 2 more. I only got 2 more shit coins to wait for now. Oh Lord, I know you're on. I don't want to say, bro. I've been hollowing some nonsense from back to. We'll only sell them when they're in the green again. Yeah, I don't even have anything from 2017 anymore. Like, I don't think anything. Wow, that's crazy. Serious question. Why everybody? Serious question. Why everybody got their mouth open on the thumbnail? Because it's a strategy. You're more likely to click on it. You're more likely to click on it if you like. It's a YouTube thing. So if you ever like start a YouTube channel and try to like look at like the tactics to get more subscribers, like even YouTube's own subgenre of stuff is like just all the different type of YouTube communities or whatever. But like that's actual tactic that you're more likely to click on that video with the person with the face on it doing because they look all crazy, and like it's almost built into telling YouTubers do this because we know it works. So it's, I don't know, it's more like social person construct. Who knows? Well, but that's why they do it. Well, yo, what's good? Peace. How you doing, Bomb Fool? How you doing? Peace. How you doing? But yeah, damn, ETH really did eat that up though, and it's holding strong. Going on the 4 hour, it don't care. 1 hour, I don't go down here this slow, man. Bull market got me going, looking that low for no reason. But going back to this whole article, It just goes into saying that 2021 may be way more bullish than we expect, because a lot of people don't understand that Bitcoin is like algorithmic programmed to act a certain way, and so these 4-year cycles are exactly what it's supposed to do, and they keep happening in 4-year cycles. And everybody who keeps denying the 4-year cycle gets crushed when the 4-year cycle does it again. You know what I'm saying? So it goes into this, the article goes into how like Bitcoin miners don't actually have to sell their Bitcoin anymore. And you got like these Bitcoin miner stocks. This is one way they facilitate income, because you have to think about it. These Bitcoin mining companies they have to grow into companies. They can't just be like, oh, all we do is Bitcoin mining. No, you guys do Bitcoin mining, but then you got to have stocks on the stock market. That's one way to finance your company. You know what I'm saying? This is like my accounting background coming into the whole play with things, like, you know, science. Anyways, but these have to turn into companies, and there are things that they do, like have stock on the stock market, how people get liquidated when they're longing and shorting, leverage trading. Who you think is liquidating you? It's these Bitcoin miners. They're literally the ones, you know, they work with the exchanges to make sure that they get paid. So now they don't have to sell their Bitcoin anymore. So as much as people think that this is what's going to happen, them not selling their Bitcoin because they already know the value of this thing. Stupid. And then this Only Up article, it talks about the German gold marks and paper marks. And I hate when like they do things like this, because this is not what's about to happen. Like stop doing that. Stop making people think, because the time frame, the length and time frame here is just But everyone's thinking about this super hyper Bitcoinization. But I put that link in the article so you guys can at least see it. But yeah, guys. And then it talks to people always talk about the start the flow model, but the thing is, like, Bitcoin's inflation right now is, I believe, at 2%. Right, guys? Who's been around for a while and really, but Bitcoin's inflation right now is at like 2%. And in 2024, in 2024, you're trying to tell me that it's going to go down to 1% and inflation is still going to be going crazy, because that's all they do is inflate. Man, I know we might go into bubble territory, but I'm not worried about today. I'm worried about 4 years from now. But just going into that, you got CL right here. I'm telling you guys, these whales, I just be following like these whales, but pretty sure we're not going anywhere close to the recent lows in BTC. If Bybit BTC balance is true, not going to recover for a while. And this is open interest. This is something that people who leverage trade, the big leverage traders, and let me move my face out of the way, the huge leverage traders. This is why you see Crypto Daily, even though he doesn't make as much videos anymore. If you go back to his older videos during the bear market, he was following the leverage traders during the bear market. He knew what was up. But you have to look at this open interest. Right now, this open interest is as low as it can possibly be, since like March. And that was the last lows. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, they're pretty much saying, like, you know, guys, that was like a clear bottom, and we're essentially doing one of these, and we're going higher. But who knows how high we can go this last time? I don't know, but that's just, you know, something for you guys to look at, think about. Going to the next thing. This actually happened last night. Right before I was about to go to bed. Another company talking about they just put $100 million worth of Bitcoin. They just bought some. They're like, nah, we're not playing. What company is this? Who knows? Doesn't matter. No, it's just another company saying, hey, the train is continuing to keep moving. Like, that's just it. The train continues. We that's what these companies are telling us in our faces. Yeah, I don't care what the hype is. We just bought some. F it. We don't got time. We don't got time. Nexion America, what are you doing? What is it? Of Nexion America, publisher of all these Maple Story, Mongolia, Dark, whatever. So what is this? What kind of company is this? Is this like a game company? Because it looks like a game company. Yeah, it looks like some sort of like Asian game company. Yes. Hey, you better, if y'all got 100 million to put in Bitcoin, y'all must be doing something right. So go ahead and take that. I don't even know if you guys are gonna hear this. Yeah, this is my boy right here, Antonio TV. Sitting at 2.4 million. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry wants. But this wasn't the case in 2007. Bitcoin made a new high in 2007. New supply started increasing percent crypto is the sell-off. But this time is different. Supply continues, even though Bitcoin is 2007. This has never happened before. And a lot of people are speculating. But let me know what you guys think below. So give this video a like. Supplying Bitcoin on it. Give my dog a like, man. If you don't, guys, trust me, bro. He's pretty solid, dog. He's been in the game for a while. Oh Lord, well, no. Like, this is what I just need the link. He's been in the game for a while, and if you guys go on IG, I don't even know if you guys heard that, because you guys, sometimes my thing just doesn't want to act like it has sound or something. For some reason. Where's my story? Because I know I had to have, I feel like I mentioned him like recently. Telling people about the energy web dip. And I was for real. I was showing people I bought the dip. I'm telling you guys, I gotta be on my Instagram and my Twitter. I'll be on that stuff all the time. Not what I'm looking for. Why are they making it so hard for me to find him? There you go. Cryptomaniacs. If I go to his page, he's the guy for Cryptomaniacs. So that's why I put that up for you guys to watch, because he's got stupid following on Instagram for some reason. Stupid following. But that's my guy Antonio from Cryptomaniacs. Other than that, we saw some test, you know, Elon gonna pump Bitcoin as long as he wants, bro. I don't care if his company sold some, but Tesla just tested Bitcoin. Did it pass, Elon? And Elon's like, yes, it passed. I swear to God, I can't wait to get a shirt of this thing. I love looking at it. I promise you guys, one Halloween, y'all gonna see me. I'm gonna dress up just like this, just for, because this thing is hilarious. It looks like it really do. I don't even know where it comes from. Somebody please tell me where this comes from, because that thing's hilarious. If some real OGs know where that come from. But let me see what you guys talking about in the chat before I go on to the next stuff. We haven't even gotten through 30 minutes yet, guys. We here early. We can really go through some coins if I keep moving like this. Bob. Ether. Morning, DCA by the dip, solid projects. You know me, bro. I only sell on green and wait for the years. Of course, man. I recently realized I still have a random casino coins. Smash the likes up. Ooh, how we got 25 people watching and they don't want to smash them likes? Man, y'all know y'all gotta smash. I need to see it. Look, stop playing, dog. I'm putting this good ass content out for you guys. The least y'all could do is smash these likes. Yeah, so we're migrating to XRPL. Man, boy, these people are finna smash. Why do you have to tell people to smash the likes for them to smash the likes? God, it works every time. That's savagery. Bank that profit. Nice. Going to the Bitcoin Ethereum. It's going to be a Bitcoin Ethereum summer. I think it's going to be a Ethereum summer for sure. I think it's going to be an Ethereum summer for sure. And I'm gonna be in DR, baby. I'm gonna be in DR, baby. We gonna live stream from DR. We're gonna see if I can make it happen. Ethereum Summer. My cable guy installer and his optimized both asked me Dogecoin in the same week. Signs of a crypto collapse, bro. I did not. I think I was in your stream last night. The guy that I buy my flowers from, his aunt and his sister or something were randomly in the area, and they're like, and he was like, oh yeah, that's my guy right there. And he's like, oh yo, hey, you're the guy that's showing, because I'm getting my guy who sells me flowers to accept Ethereum and like all types of cryptocurrency and show them all that kind of stuff. And oh, you guys want to see the gap while I talk? Here, see this gap, see the CME gap while I tell this story in the background. Boom, there you go. And I get there and they're just like, yeah. You gotta show me. And so I'm like, all right, say less. And watch the all time. I know. There we go. This is boom. Point of the story is that's the type of stuff I'm expecting at a top. You know what I'm saying? That's the type of things like people trying to get into the space. But maybe it's because we've been in it so long that we never experienced the first wave of people that got, interested in Bitcoin that early 2017, so late 2016 kind of stuff. That's the type of stuff I'm expecting. You know what I'm saying? So since I never experienced that first early wave, maybe this is what the first early wave looks like. Who knows? Come back. Cable guy installer. Why is basically the same. Job tax wing. Sweet, good job. Yeah, 16 hours a week in the office. Hit that like or I'll ban you from the chat. Jesus. Well, why? I told you, bro, we was going to dips. Come see me gap at 37K CME, but we don't dip there just yet. Bitcoin on the 45 chart is a jewel. Watch all the time. If you can't see what I'm talking about, go to the 15 chart. Well said, and I agree. See me gap at 39K. Right? We keep asking ourselves, how high is up? We haven't experienced euphoria stage yet. But what you want to see? Which CME gap that we closed? That's what I want to know. You saying we got a CME gap at 39K? I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour. I don't know. About 3 weeks ago. You're gonna have to give me an exact date, just like how you have like the chart. I know you gotta have the chart. 15-minute chart, boy. That you down there, bro. Jesus. All right, 15-minute chart. This is April. You're gonna have to give me like a good day. This is Yeah, you're gonna have to give me a day, and then we're gonna have to look back at that. I can't look at that. That be hurting my eyes. Y'all gonna kill me. Give me a date, and we gonna look at it. Did that. I was talking to Scotty P about this last night on his live stream. If you guys don't, y'all got to, bro. I don't know why. Oh, I did spell it right. But y'all got to, bro. Y'all got to. Scotty P, like, this is what I always be telling people. Scotty P puts whatever he wants on his channel. The fact that he puts whatever he wants on his channel and does not care like a boss. My dude has to have some bread, not to. Cause oh, yo, loving it, loving it. So make sure you guys watching my boy Scotty P. He be dropping gems, straight gems, straight facts all day, every day. But just going back to all this, I was talking to Scotty P last night about how this auction went down, and I was just talking, like thinking, looking at this auction, and they sold like, man, get out of here, stop playing with me. They sold like almost 10 Bitcoin, all under market value, and I'm like, why would y'all even do that? As much as you guys said, but that's the whole point of auctions, I guess. You're supposed to get things at a discount. But the thing is, the higher the price, like the higher the amount of BTC went, the lower below the market price it was actually is. So if you had like that 0.1 BTC, it was only like $300 below the market price. But then when you started getting into like the 1.25s, the 1.5s, the 2s, that's when the discounts really started hitting like that. And I was like, I wonder why that is. Nah, but bro, don't even worry about don't worry about your stream last night. At least you showed up. That's the thing. A lot of people don't get that. At least you show up. That's all that people really want from you when you're like doing the whole YouTube thing. They just want you to show up. You don't have to be the most blah 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 person. You just have to continue to come back and show up. Consistency. That's what people respect. And as long as you keep doing that, you can be whoever you want. Just trust me, I've seen a lot of YouTube channels, and I'm like, oh wow. So the only thing you got against me is time. Say less. Say less. I can do this for a while. But especially when the prices are going up, like it's easy when it's terrible when in the bar market. Y'all just don't know. Can't wait for the bear market. Then you get to see who the true people are. But I found this interesting that, you know, as the price of the BTC went up on this random, I don't know what government agency, General Services Administration. How did they even have this? How did they even acquire this Bitcoin? I don't even want to know. But apparently they can't even tell you because privacy concerns. The blocks gain in any of these Bitcoin due to privacy concerns. The block's origin, yeah. So they get to keep their privacy. But now we get to talking about ETH. That's why we can go back to ETH here. See what ETH is actually doing now. ETH is eating this dip up. Now I gotta see the ETH to BTC ratio. I gotta see it. Yes. Give me. I got it on the weekly right now. Let me see if I can get it on the daily. The day, man, I gotta put it because the weekly chart looks better. It just looks better. It looks sweeter. And this is what y'all really want to see. So looking at the VPVR, right, you can tell that all our time is within down here. And so we have like no time frame of how long we can stay in these different areas and like these different areas here, because you can see here that we're at a point, we're in an area where we just flip back and forth all the time. Here was the support area and we just left it. Now, mind you, this is on the weekly. So we just closed the weekly chart last week. We closed the weekly chart above like anything we've seen so far in a long time, since way back in 2017. You know what I'm saying? Late 2018. We're this is something that we're breaking now. We haven't seen in a long time. I really think ETH is about to like melt some faces, bro. ETH is about to melt some faces, and as much as like we don't know how much money is about to flow into this, but we're gonna see. Like I ain't trying to get nobody to FOMO or nothing like that, but just the way the chart looks, it just looks like it wants to do something crazy. But you're gonna have to give it time. Now looking at the ETH, and then you start looking at the ETH USD chart, and it's like scary almost. I want to see if I put it on a log. I think I like the log better because it helps. But we just had like a serious green candle. Serious green candle. Like, and we're looking at the weekly. Usually I'm over here on the daily. but we're pushing new all-time highs again, like nothing. Let me take the log back off so you guys can see this US. So yeah, we eating up the dip while Bitcoin's dipping. ETH is like, I don't care. And so if ETH is saying I don't care, I don't want to know what these alts is doing. These alts might be going crazy, but looking at this Steven dude, another guy, you know, someone I follow and has a big subscriber base. They be putting out facts that, you know, people don't see him. So this is the weekly premium on ETHE, which is what was it? Grayscale's Ethereum Trust is trading at a premium, meaning that people with a lot of money that can only invest in this space through a Grayscale Ethereum Trust, because they have so much liquidity that they would crash the market if they actually bought the real thing themselves, or they don't like trying to buy the real thing themselves, so they'll use a product like Grayscale. But to use a product like Grayscale, they have to pay a premium, and so that's where the weekly premium percentage is. And the weekly premium for the first time has been positive in weeks. You know what I'm saying? In weeks, this thing, because like right here, you see where the premium, the zero's right here, and it hit below that zero, and it'll stay on that zero for a long time, since the beginning of March-ish. And now it's back at its first like and this is just the beginning of it. So we're gonna see how this goes throughout the summer, but I would assume that the premium would probably get back up to like 25, maybe at least, you know, because that looked like a. I don't know about the 75 though. That's a lot. Unless you thinking ETH could probably, woo. But seeing that, and then also seeing this flow chart from Dune Analytics, someone else that posted it up on Twitter. And let me get my face out of the way so you guys can actually see it. All these different colors represents different exchanges. The exchanges are right here, but you guys can't see them. You can pretty much guess what the pink one is. If you didn't know, you can pretty much guess what the pink one is. And that's, but then the yellow here, I believe, is Sushi Swap. And this is the, like the, what is it? Count of unique addresses that traded maker and taker per month. So this is like a DEX / aggregator of all the unique addresses. And like, I love how they can just pull out these data analytics right out of, because it's a blockchain and so transparent that you can see everything. Oh my God. And so you can see how well the network is doing. So what, this purple down here is matcha, I believe. That's 0x's thing. This gray is synthetics. The orange, see like when they start blending like that, all these colors start getting mixed a little bit. So they're gonna have to do something about that. But this yellow here is Sushi Swap, Uniswap, purple. Oh, and the purple looks like matcha. Then what's this blue? 0x API? Man, y'all get the idea. My favorite chart. People stupid. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, Uni's killing it right now though. Uni is tearing it up. Oh my gosh. Everybody's waiting on that Uniswap V3 play. I'm telling you, well, we still have. Oh, this weekend's probably gonna be crazy, because what, V3 is supposed to come out near what, May 4th? Like, I don't even want to talk about it, but y'all know what it is. Buy the rumor, sell the news. MetaMask hits 500. What is it? 5 million monthly active users. 2 billion USD in accumulated transactions. 100% more ethical internet. Control your data, identities, build communities, freely associate. So MetaMask is getting like, they getting lit. I wonder when MetaMask is gonna get that tap on the shoulder, guys. And this is real talk. when MetaMask is gonna get that tap on the shoulder and get forced to give out. And maybe I don't know. Maybe the way the technology works, they can't be forced to do this. When are they gonna force to do KYC? When are they gonna get that tap on the Hey, no, guys, you guys are too big. We need all users' data information, everything. We want names to wallets to this to that, everything. Now, maybe it's just me talking like I don't know how the technology works, but they gonna have to. Just like what is it? What wallet? What wallet is IPOing or trying to IPO right now? Exodus wallet. Just like Exodus wallet is trying to IPO and stuff right now. We're gonna see MetaMask. I pray, but we're gonna see. Now let me see what you guys are talking about in the chat. I haven't gone back to the chat in a while. I've still got hella time and hella stuff. How far back do I gotta follow them? Follow them on Twitter for future auctions. Yay. Why not everybody liking fake Bitcoin? Yup. Fake ETH too. February 8th. Oh, you finally got that spot. All right. What's that CME gap? We're going to go down. No, we're going February 15-minute chart. Oh, God. Come on. Stop playing with me. How am I still... All right. There's no way. Okay, thank you. I don't know what I was doing. So you talking about, let me get the VPVR out of the way so people can actually see what you're trying to express to us real quick. And we talking about February 8th. Bro, this is like deep down there. I know you didn't just get me to come here. This is all February 8th. Well, that's 6th, but here's the 5th. If this is the gap you're talking about. I don't know. I don't see the gap. I might be blind, bro. I might be going crazy. I don't see it. I don't know. I might be. Y'all gonna have to tell me. Do y'all see the gap? Unless this is what he's talking about right here. Yeah. I don't know if that on the way up, but wasn't this just filling this back here? Oh, what are you talking about? How this was February 8th? Yeah, February 8th was a Monday. February 5th was a Friday. And then the 7th, and that's yeah, then we came out and then we closed the gap here and then we kept on moving. That's what I see. We had a gap form, we closed it, and then we kept on moving on the 15-minute chart. But February 5th, yeah, that's the gap you're talking about right here. Right here. Yeah, this is what you're talking about. I know what you're saying. Bomb. But I gotta keep going. Oh, but on your chart. Okay. Scotty P just called soft launch. I'm waiting for the conversation from Sora Mainnet. What's Sora Mainnet? Wait, hold up. Too much fear. Yeah, way too much fear, bro. I'm telling you, man. This is what I'm looking for. I'm the fear and greed index too. Pop, MetaMask. Oh, so now we can finally get into some real DeFi stuff. I don't know if how many people are on this, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people are on this. And I'm gonna tell you why I'm in it, because this is just the way I think. So Donnie, Big Bags, this came out April 26th. So this is about 2 days old. A lot of people in Chico Army is already in this too. But this thing is called Susu. And I remember I was talking to Scotty P about it last night as well. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna drop all the links for you guys. Y'all heard my Lord Kettle, 21 watching, 17 likes. Stop playing with him. Carbon Exchange. We're gonna pop this. And I'm literally gonna give you guys all the links that I needed to do. Right, and let me see if this is the continue. You're gonna need that. You're not gonna really need this. You're gonna need you're gonna need this. If the way I'm gonna talk about it. That's what you need for that. That's not what I'm. No, because you're just gonna give me that. Scotty P, if you're in here, I need the. If Scotty P's still in here, I need the. Because I'm not finding it. I can find the Omni Bridge for this, but the Omni Bridge is not what I want. I want the. I need the other bridge. I need the bridge that you can bridge EWTB into EWT if you buy EWTB from Uniswap. I need that bridge because this Omni bridge doesn't do that. This Omni bridge does it for every other token but EWTB. So I know you know which bridge I'm talking about because I remember you used to arbitrage trade it when there was a difference. But going back to what I was going to start talking about. So this guy Donnie put out this information about Susu. What is Susu? Yeah. I knew. Yeah. That's the right bridge. So a lot of people ask me EWT, and I get this on Instagram a lot. Where can I get EWT? Because of course, people are new. They're following big YouTubers, and they got other big YouTubers talking about this coin, right? Energy Web token. We all like. If you've been a while, you know what it does. I'm not gonna get into that explanation, but when they get the EWT, they see it on these different exchanges here, and they're like, you can get it on Uniswap, but Energy Web token is its own token. It's its own chain, so it's not actually. You can't actually get it on Uniswap, but technically you can. So what they did is they created these synthetic versions of Energy Web token on Ethereum, so that way people on Ethereum can buy the token before it got listed on all these different exchanges. Because when it first came out, you were only able to get it like on Kraken and maybe Liquid, and I think that was it, if that. But regardless, now you can get it on Uniswap as well. And so when you go to Uniswap, when you click on this, you go to Uniswap, and I don't even think my wallet's connected. Nah. But yeah, I know. It's going to say EWTB. It's going to be EWT Bridge. You're going to hit OK. And then you're going to have some ETH, whatever. You know that you do the whole Uniswap thing. And then you're going to have EWTB in your Ethereum wallet. And so once you have that, then you're going to go to this EWT bridge. And what it's going to do is they have this whole bridge to the Ethereum mainnet. They're essentially using like, just like how Matic is using it and XDAI is using it. Because when you go to their block explorer, Let me see if this is gonna go. Yeah. When it no, I want to go to their block explorer. Well, I'm not gonna go to the block explorer right now. But when you go to their block explorer, it looks just like Matic. It looks just like XDie. So they're pretty much using the same thing. But so what you would do is you would take your EWTB and take it and turn it into Energy Web Token. And when you get to the Energy Web Token block explorer, it's gonna be your same Ethereum address that you used to log in with. So trust me, you're gonna be fine. And so then you'll have EWT, real EWT on the EWT network. I know I'm moving really fast. I'm sorry. But the reason why I'm talking about this is because they have a fork of Uniswap on the EWT network. And to use it, you're going to have EWT on there. So either you're going to go to one of these exchanges and get it, or you're going to use the Uniswap version and go through the bridge. Now, the caveat about the bridge is that you're going to give up one EWT to actually use this thing. So just to let you guys know that you're going to have to give up one EWT to change it from EWTB into regular EWT. So just be mindful of that. But this thing called Susu, now that I can finally get back to it, this thing called Susu, nobody knows what it is, really. Literally nobody knows what it is. And people are aping into it. People are aping into it. It's part of Carbon Swap. Its mission. We can get into it. Why Carbon Swap? Why Susu? What it's like? What does Susu even mean? Susu means Su. It goes into everything about like the name, but it doesn't really say much. It's only just, and that's the crazy thing, because it's these things that you can't find on, because you can't find this. You can't find this on CoinGecko. It's not there. It's things like these that you get in early on because you can't find them on CoinGecko, or how you make stupid gains, just to let you guys know. And I'm not saying that you're gonna make stupid gains off of this, but this is how it's done. But of course, you're gonna have to go through the whole process of, if you've done Binance Smart Chain, you're gonna have to go through the whole process of adding the EWT network to your MetaMask as well. But I know if you've done Binance Smart Chain, if you've done XDAI, you should know how to do that, of course. But you guys see my face because I'm not talking. But the reason why I showed this OmniBridge one is because the OmniBridge is like the prominent one, but it doesn't do EWTB. But the reason why I say this is because you're going to need to, and let me see if I get back onto this. I know I know I don't got anything. Connect the wallet to see, you can't even whatever. But what people are doing right now is they're farming it. They're farming this token, and you would have to provide liquidity with wrapped EWT with Susu, or wrapped EWT with wrapped ETH, or DAI with wrapped EWT. So they've got these different pairs that they're saying, hey, provide liquidity in these things and you'll get Susu. And what happens is, this has been going on for a week now, and it's only going to last a month. So I think it's got like 26 days left on it, and that's it. But this is only going to go for the month. And it's like, you can do the math, you can see how much they're providing for each pool, all that good stuff. But yeah, the reason why I even bring this up again, because so many people are doing it, because you can't find it on this, because the crazy amount of stuff you got to do just to get to it, just to get it, just to whatever. And this is how it goes. My play on this is that, and this is just real honest stuff on you guys, my play is, because this is EWT, and right here you got this guy right here. I follow him because Chico follows him because he uses him for research as well. Of course, he's down here in the comments helping people do it as well. What happens to EWT when Chico makes a video about this? if he makes a video about this. You know? And granted, you know, the chart's doing whatever right now, but that's the play that I'm going for. If Chico makes a video about what's going on Energy Web Tokens sidechain, that, you know, he makes a lot of videos, like literally dang near almost made an Energy Web video last night just because I saw Elon Musk on it. But what happens when he goes through this whole and explains this, not the whole process, but so just like, if y'all know how crypto works, sometimes y'all know when people have a big following, people are gonna follow them to the death, and it's not the YouTuber's fault, but it's just how people work. And if you understand how people work, you can play on the part of, you know, people acting like people. If you guys get what I'm saying. But that's what I wanted to show you guys. Now I want to know what Scotty thinks about what I just said. Let me see what you guys are talking about in the chat. You are amazing, bro. I'm that guy. I have a sour taste for Coinbase now ever since 2015, man. I don't trust Coinbase either, bro. What are you talking about? But 1 inch is not bad. But yeah, bro, they have, like, I want you to think about something. Coinbase has over 50 coins. When I first got into crypto, Coinbase had like 4, 5. They have over 50. They know what game it is. Stop playing. They hardcore Bitcoin people. Man, come into the shitcoin side. Enjoy it. There you go. That's also July 2020. KuCoin, Bitmark, good. KuCoin, but KuCoin, yeah, KuCoin, like, for KuCoin to be like, KuCoin's been around for a while. And someone the other day asked me, bro, I saw this KuCoin, like, you think it's an okay exchange? And I told myself, wow. Oh, throughout the bear market, I heard nothing about, I don't even remember a KuCoin hack. And the fact that they've been around this whole time, like, I'm not, which hack? Tell me which one, because I don't remember that hack. I know, because I remember a lot of hacks, bro. I remember everybody's hacks. Which hack was that one? Well, it must have been really, really early, because as y'all know, last summer, what coin was it? Well, what did they take? Or I can just be a human being and type in. Why am I? Oh, okay. Yeah, you're not lying. Okay. Every exchange gets hacked. So all this praise I'm giving them, the fact that they're still around still gives them some credence. But this goes to show you guys, you don't leave coins on exchanges. The whole point of crypto, is for you to hold your own crypto, for you to have the keys. As much as this is getting lost, people have to remember the whole point of crypto is for you to be your own bank. But it's okay. Stuff like this makes people learn. But if you're getting your coin in and off of KuCoin, it's pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie. It's been around for a while. As long as you make sure your limits and get your coins on and off when you can. Going back to the comments. Ethereum is not a bad project. You should make a video on how to do this all. And then when people get wrecked, it's my fault. Yup. You'd be the EWT morph into EWT though. Did you know what it is when you are paying like that? Like you don't know what it is, but it's paying like a mofo. I don't know what it does, but no VCs, no this, no that from the EWT people. So it's a ground fed project. Man, say less, bro. You're not saying anything to me. You're not saying anything but get my coins in here and just hold and just hold. Susu means urine and Urdu in Hindu. Oh no, oh no. 100, bro. Yeah. When I got in, when I got into Coinbase, they had one coin. Oh, I know you're. Oh, don't say that, bro. So I know you've been around for a while. They had one coin. Yup. I know a lot of people like the real maxis don't like that stuff. But what do you think about Teller? Is that the Teller network? I think that's Teller. Who builds this? Who builds this? It's this. Isn't this I don't know by what they're trying to do. Decentralized Oracle network. You're trying to compete against Chainlink. Good luck. That's how I feel. Like y'all know I'm a Chainlink person. Yeah, of course you know the more the merrier. Cool. You're trying to compete against Chainlink. Good luck. Now, granted, can it make money? Clearly, it's made somebody some money. You know what I'm saying? Somebody's riding this up, eating good. So regardless, it don't matter how I feel. But you're competing against Chainlink. In the long term, short term, make your gains. Listed a lot of places. 300, ranked 300. Geez, everybody's just in like, I can't even talk because I'm in some low cap crazy stuff too, so I can't talk. But yeah, going back to it, I'll pop the Bitcoin chart. I'll pop the no man. People want to see the ETH chart. ETH not playing. We're gonna put ETH on the 4-hour. While I'm in the back, nah. We'll do the 1 hour for ETH. Or maybe the 15 minutes. There, here's y'all 15-minute ETH while I talk in these comments. 100, 1, Teller, back to the hack, little shake it and me last summer, funds got stolen. Lutzo, yup. Ocean, DeFi summer, it was September, yup, die guess. Bought hella KuCoin shares. Hey, I'm telling you, what KuCoin needs to do is they need to do a Binance thing where they have like KuCoin chain and KuCoin this, so they can pop off their scams. That's probably because everybody usually just follows Binance, but I guess some people they're just do their own thing. KuCoin stole the 4th airdrop. No, you're kidding. They're not giving their people their airdrop? Or maybe they just haven't listed it yet. But if not, that's why the whole point of crypto is to, like, think about it. If you weren't holding your own keys for the 4th airdrop, you would, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, you're asking for it, bro. You're asking for it. My rule is if exchange's been hacked, they fixed it, they're safe-ish. But they fixed it. All right, they fixed it. Sure. Look, I don't know if these hacks are the inside jobs. I don't even know. No keys, no cheese. Who you telling? Bro, people at my work is interested in crypto now, but all they ask is Doge or XRP. Because that's the gateway drug. They need to get hurt first for them to understand. You can't stop them. You can't stop them. It's part of what crypto is. You gotta get wrecked first to get to understand. And what not to get wrecked than to get wrecked on a pump and dump coin for fun, a meme coin, to learn how this crypto stuff works. That you know nothing. Oracles, bro. P, so you're saying that it's not a oh god. Hey, I gotta chill out. Hey, how long I think I've been on for an hour, guys. Yeah, it's been an hour and 4 minutes. I gotta get to work in like 30 minutes, man. Dang. See all that talking I was doing this. Look what I did. Look what I did to the chart, man. All that talking I was doing, man. I should have just chilled. I should have just played it cool. Been all right. No. Just make this support and keep it moving. But y'all not gonna have me over here looking at this chart, this 15-minute chart going crazy. But I appreciate you guys for coming back. 27 viewers, 21 likes. Hey, I'll mess with that. Bro, who's talking? I'm talking about Doge. Boy, I'm telling you, boy, people love their XRP. I'm talking about Doge. Oh, people will fight for their XRP. That's why I can't, I can't even with XRP, bro. They gonna fight for it. And I'm gonna let them fight for it. Cause they gonna pump somebody's bags and their own bags. That's crypto, if you guys didn't know. But appreciate you guys. Check you out next time. Take it easy. Peace. Y'all crack me up sometimes.